I've been around this industry for about 8 years, and as far as many different facets of it, I've met guys that are just crazy at high levels. And Lee is the first time I have met and been in somebody's office that does the level and the amount of deals that he does. It's very impressive. The biggest breakthrough I probably had would be a lot of the systems in place and the hiring processes, which is something I'm just not good at. And I think a lot of people aren't good at that because people in general want to like people. So when you're interviewing, you meet somebody, you're like, all right, hey man, you're cool, I like you, let's do this. But they're not the right personality, not the right person, and then the systems in place beyond the people. You got to have the right people to run the right systems, and all that together is what really makes it work. And I think that's what a lot of people struggle with, is they generally want to like people, and they don't want to interview someone and be like, nah, you're a jerk, see you later, But at the end of the day, that's what you have to do. I mean, you don't have to call them a jerk, but and so you got to hiring the right people and finding the right people for the right position, and then again the systems to back all that up and bring taken away, and it's just really powerful stuff. Most people, I think, get in their own way, and they even engineer their business maybe so they can't grow. But if you're looking to seriously take your business to the next level, there is no one else I've seen in this industry that's done it quite like Lee.